Buffer tool. The buffer tool is a great way to instantly find the acreage associated around a selected object. The key issue to using the buffer tool is that your item needs to already be selected before you activate the buffer. So how do you select an item? You can see our select tools help file for more information. There are a variety of different ways to select. You can use search and browse, or you can actually use the select tools options as well. So I'm going to start by selecting the simplest way, which is to simply click on an object and it brings up the information balloon. I'm going to close the balloon, and you'll notice that the line I clicked on is still selected. Notice the blue, that means it's been selected. So now I can use my buffer tool, go to Advanced Tools, Buffer Tools, and I'm going to measure 250, let's say, yards, and we simply hit buffer. Notice that our object has been selected and we instantly have our acreage here. Next, I'm going to show you how to buffer around a group or collection of objects. And I'm also going to show you how to use this optional feature, which is relevant when you have multiple things turned on all at the same time. Now I've zoomed in, and you can see I have at least two objects. Actually, I have three because there are two right on top of each other. I have a tie-ins, a rectifier, and there's also a meter sight hidden below. And I want to buffer around all of these objects and get an idea of acreage for that area. So I'm going to start by selecting them. To select a group of objects, one of the easiest ways is to hit your select tool, and in this case I'm going to select a box. I'm going to drag a box. Now they are selected. Notice how they've turned blue. I can see a complete list of everything I've selected down here in my results panel. I'm going to go ahead and close these so we have more room on the screen, and noticing that they're still blue, I'm going to go up to my Advanced Tools and Buffer, and let's do, say, 50 feet around. Now I have a pipeline layer and I have my above ground equipment layer both turned on. To make it run more smoothly, I can hit above ground or pipelines if I want to single those out. If I was buffering around a combination of these two, then I wouldn't use that. But in this case, I just wanted to buffer around my above ground equipment, which is selected in blue, and I'm going to hit buffer, and there's my buffer. This is a customizable tool. If you prefer not to have acreage, another unit of measure is certainly possible, and there are numerous things that we can do to meet your specific company needs. This has been our buffer tool.